Hello, I'm Laura McHarrie at The Hidden Edge with another tea break tip on how to use business models and tools to help you manage your growing business. Today we're looking at Stark and Stewart's True North and how to write a vision statement. True North is an idiom that emerged from Toyota 20 or 30 years ago. True North works as a compass, providing a guide to take a business from its current position to where it wants to be. It's a reflection of the purpose of the organisation and the foundation of a business strategic plan. Identifying your business's one true objective will provide a strong foundation for all strategic decision making, and it encourages the persistent practice of daily improvements for all of those that work in your business. At its best, it is distinguished by its simplicity and by the challenge it presents to the status quo thinking. So let's first look at what Stark and Stewart had to say about True North. True North is a decision-making tool the management team can use to choose their path forward. It is the governing objective for how the company should operate. It might be one of the following: provide the best customer service in our industry, have the lowest cost operations, grow volumes at double-digit rates, balance the need of our stakeholders and serve them all to the best of our ability, deliver double-digit returns to our investors. Stark and Stewart identified 6 steps to True North. Step 1, develop several potential True North statements. These should be simple yet crystal clear statements of the company's governing objective. Step 2, align as a management team on the right True North for the business. Step 3, perform an honest assessment on how the company has performed in recent years against that chosen True North. Understand and break down the potential barriers to embedding it into the company's DNA moving forward. Communicate, communicate, communicate. Everyone in the organisation should be able to recite the True North statement in their sleep and know how to apply it in their daily lives. Step 5, improve the information flows so that everyone in the business has the information they need to make decisions that achieve the True North objective. And step 6, walk the walk. As the leader, you need to make sure that tough decisions are made quickly according to the True North objective. Look for opportunities to shake up old organisational behaviours not aligned with True North. Test the organisation's commitment to True North early and often so that you can shape the business to your desired behaviours. Getting started is probably the hardest bit. And so I've chosen to have a look at some vision statements to give you the opportunity to think through and build on some examples that are given by some corporate companies. Here we have a list of types of vision statements. Quantitative, for example, Microsoft's empower every person and every organisation on the planet to achieve more. Competitive, we are number 2, we try harder, said Avis. Competitive vision statements are not normally the rule nowadays. This was a strapline that Avis created some 50 odd years ago, but it still exists in their mission statement. Superlative, the world's premier food company, Heinz. The role model, we want to be the next Google, Amazon, Tony Robbins, Simon Sinek. I've seen many of these in smaller businesses that are emulating. Vision statements should be future-based, like Oxfam's A Just World Without Poverty. They should be aspirational, like Tesla's accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. I love to play on words with that one. Directional, like Facebook's, giving people the power to share and make the world more open and connected. And they should be descriptive, like Apple's, producing high quality, low cost, easy to use products that incorporate high technology for the individual. The world's premier food company, Heinz, their vision is quite simple. It starts with "we will," or rather our vision, so it's incorporating all the stakeholders in the business. And it is written in the future. Our vision, quite simply, is to be the world's premier food company. It's supported then with 3 to 5 business values, offering nutritious, superior tasting foods to people everywhere. Being the premier food company does not mean being the biggest, but it does mean being the best in terms of customer value, customer service, employee talent, and consistent and predictable growth. Very, very clear. I do really like Oxfam's vision, which is a just world without poverty. We envision a world in which people can influence decisions that affect their lives, enjoy their rights, and assume their responsibilities. A world in which everyone is valued and treated equally. I probably like that because it connects with my personal values.
Do keep your vision statement alive and visible in front of yourself and your staff. Do revisit your true north, your overarching goal, to ensure that it is still relevant and that it actually helps direct actions and activities for the business. So that's it from me. Do go to the Hidden Edge website to download the templates and have a go for yourself. And whilst you're there, please share your stories of what has worked well for you in your business. Until next tea break time, enjoy the rest of this one.